At least 2 families overseas have been left distressed yet hopeful as they await word from their relatives in St. Elizabeth following Hurricane Beryl. Ramada Lyons has their story.
Her 16-year-old son, 4 sisters, 2 brothers, her mother, father, and some cousins. Nadia Bent, who is currently in Canada, last heard from them on Wednesday while Hurricane Beryl lashed the island.
I don't know what's happening. I don't know if my son is still at his grandma or he went back to I don't know anything. And I'm the type of parent that I usually speak to my son every day, multiple times for the day. We speak and I'm not hearing anything from him. So I'm distraught. I don't know what to do because I'm not getting to anybody. They don't have any signal. I know they don't have any current. They don't have anything.
Miss Bent says her family was in Junction St. Elizabeth. She's sure they were hard hit as it relates to their preparation going into the hurricane.
I know they were trying to batten down, but I don't know to what extent they actually did. It's just overwhelming being here and not knowing what's happening back home. Trust me, it's not easy.
Another woman in Mississippi in the United States is in a similar boat of worry. Her son visited Jamaica recently to spend time with his grandparents and other relatives in Vineyard, St. Elizabeth.
Well, I haven't heard from my mom, my dad. My son went on holiday. I haven't heard anything. My sister, the last text I got from my sister was, I think it was like sometimes after 3 Wednesday, she texted and said, everything is okay. We just start getting rain and strong wind. Since that, nothing else until this day.
On top of that, she's certain that these images are from their community. The woman sent these pictures on WhatsApp and said the house belongs to her uncle. Meanwhile, Miss Ben says news reports on the extent of the damage in the parish have made matters much worse.
Just seeing all of that destruction over the media and not getting a first-hand response from my child or my mother to actually know that they're okay, it's nerve-wracking. I'm telling you, I've never not heard my son's voice beyond a day from in his 16 years.
She adds, however, that there is some comfort in the distress.
There is no fatalities, so once there's life, there is hope. We just have to continue pushing.
Last week, the Jamaica Public Service JPS said St. Elizabeth was among the parishes with most customers without electricity. Telecommunications providers Digicel and Flow also said cell reception and connectivity were affected. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.
The Spanish Town Hospital in